Hello everyone, it's Quentin the Fashion Dog. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another unboxing and review, and today we will be unboxing another Barbie Extra Mini. I don't know what number in the series she is, but we're going to refer to her as Smiley Face Girl because that's her motif. If you saw the last unboxing I did, oh, and she was looking crazy. But we did her, was number 8. And then we also did this Barbie Extra in the past too. So she has some friends to play along with. But yeah, she's cute. I like her hair. And I think this beanie is plastic, which is kind of interesting to me. So I'm kind of excited to open her. But let's get into her. At this point, my Renaissance Tour Barbie pitch video should be out. I hope you all enjoyed that. Okay, let's show her open. Oh, that's hot in here. Oh, and by the way, I have on a Bratz t-shirt. I know it's not Barbie, but these Barbie Extra Minis I give a Bratz doll anyway, so it's fine. These are so easy to come off. Okay. And here is how she's looking while she's still in the plastic. And she has a lavender stand. Let's take the stand out. Everything just wants to fall on the floor today. Since I've done this before, let's just put this together now. So here's her stand in this lavender color. I like the lavender. Lavender and purple. Well, I like all shades of purple, but lavender is definitely one of my favorite colors. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't understand how we have tags in her hair. Okay. The hat is tagged on, but I'm actually gonna leave that. And then here she goes. She has on, and this little beanie is plastic, but it does feel like it can move a little, but it's plastic. Get into her earrings. She has a smiley face on her hat. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the side of her head is like it's shaved, which that's one reason why I wanted her. I thought that was a cute idea. Oh, it actually feels like it's flopped too. Now I want to take the hat off. If you didn't comment in the Renaissance Tour Barbie video, I would like to know if you agree with the looks that I chose and what looks you would add or what would you change. And at the end of that video, I brought up a suggestion that Run the World should have been in the Barbie movie. So I really think I'm gonna do a video about like changes I would make to the Barbie movie. I think that's what the video is gonna be. So I'm gonna get my notes together, but that should be coming soon. Here is her little duffel bag, which I think is adorable. I love the chain strap. Does it open? Okay, it doesn't open, but that's fine. I still think this is very cute. She has these glasses as well, but I want to take them off her hand. Okay. So we got the glasses off of her hand. They're supposed to be like, they're flames on the side. So these are really cute to me. Let's see if we can put them on her. Maybe with the hat off. Let's see. I'm gonna try one more time if I can get this hat off. These little tags up. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna cut these tags off. I'm gonna have these little tags all over my house. Okay, so here's the hat. I took it off. It is squishy, if you can see. So it's not like a hard plastic. I actually don't mind this being plastic. Oh yes, okay, get into the side of her head. This is flocking. And I think the process of flocking is like they put adhesive down and you almost like spray like a texture. So it's almost giving suede. But yeah, that is very cute. In a doll that I've reviewed, I haven't seen this flocking yet. Let's get a comb. Okay. I think the hair on this doll is better than the last one. I still can see her scalp. You can see the scalp a little, but I do like this hair a little better. And especially for this to be blue. It's not terrible. Let's look at her eyes. Okay, her eyes look better to me than the last one. Their eyes are cute and they have like sparkles. And then her boot is sparkly. They're almost like a sparkly Doc Martin. And then she has on this two-piece smiley set and also a little choker. And the choker does come off. The sweatshirt has a Velcro fastening in the back, if you can see that. And then she has her hoop earrings. Oh, so she has a hoop in this ear and then a stud in this ear. That is very, can you see it? That is so different. I don't think I've seen that before either in a Barbie, that the earrings are different. But she's posable like the other one. I think with the outfit she has on, it's a little better to get the poses. She's waving. Hey. Okay. Let's see. Does the hat go back on? Oh, and the hat pops back on very easily. We love that. Boop. Pop back on. Smiley face on the side. And then let's pose her to hold her bag. Oh, and I want to see if the glasses will go on now. Okay, so when you take the hat off, you can put on her glasses, which are cute. I really like these. The size is good. I like the flames. And then her bag does hang on. She looks cute. Okay. Let's try to put her on the stand. She should be easier to put on the stand only because her little sweatshirt is a little cropped, so she shouldn't have all that extra fabric in the way. She shouldn't. Okay, yeah, she can't pop on easier. The only thing I would say with these, they are a little awkward to me once you have them on the stand. And I do wish, I don't know if they need to bend more at the thigh or if they bent here. But I wish you could make them look up. They don't look up. It seems like they can't look up. You just can turn their head from side to side. Like, if that makes sense. Like, I have a regular Barbie Extra right here. But you can look their head up instead of looking down, if that makes sense. I don't know, I just like my girls to look up, honey. Hold your head up. Turn your head towards the sun and let the shadows fall behind you. Let's see if we can fix her. Okay. So she's back standing. Yeah, and it's kind of hard to have them looking straight on the stand. They always seem like they're turned to the side, which I guess is fine. But here they are together. I think they look very cute. They look like they'd be friends. Their hair is cute. And then this is a Barbie Extra with the Barbie Mini. So look at the size difference. They're like half the size. These her head is so much bigger than hers. But they still look cute together. They're still giving me same vibe, if that makes sense. Let's see, can we put the hat back on her with the glasses? Oh, okay, you can. So if you put the glasses on first and then the hat, she's good. I like her though. I wish someone let me know if they do. I know they have play sets for the Barbie Extra Minis, but I haven't seen, do they have extra fashions? That would be cute to see some extra fashions. Or maybe I need to get more so I can switch up the fashion. I don't know. But I like her. She's waving like, what's up, y'all? Could you make it look like her arms are folded? She giving you a little B-boy stance. Ugh. Okay. Well, this one is going to be a short video, but we already seen her already. So she didn't have a whole lot going on. But I would rate her as a stunning. I like her. I think some of the dolls now, and I get that dolls are for kids, but people that aren't children collect them, and everything is so smiley faces, rainbows, butterflies. Like everything has to have an icon or like an emoji. But the smiley face is so universal and like a part of culture. Now this is cute. I don't mind this. I'm still looking for the one that has extra cute on her bangs. And I saw her somewhere, now I can't remember where I saw her. So I'm gonna go out and look for her. But for now, I have a second Barbie Extra Mini, and I like her. But yeah, she gets a stunning for me. I may like her more than the other one, to be honest. I think her style is cool, and I like the different colors. And the stand coordinates really well with her look. But yes, everyone please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon. Let me know any suggestions of video ideas you would like for me to do. I feel more comfortable now that I have an edited video, so we definitely will be getting into the fashions more. There hasn't been any fashion events because of the strike. So I want to bring Fashion Police. I do that on Clubhouse. I want to bring that to YouTube, but we have to wait till we get some fashion. So in the meantime, we'll talk about the dolls, and I'll have some other ideas coming up. But talk soon. Ta-ta.